Hi, this is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. We're showcasing the new Ekster sleeve. They have it for the iPad Pro. They also have it for MacBook and MacBook Air, MacBook Pro. But this happens to be the one for the iPad. So all the details of all the pockets and what they are here, you can pause the video anytime to check that out. There's a lot going on inside of this. So we'll go inside right here. This is magnetic closing, so things won't just slip out, so that's nice. And inside, a lot of room here. It's all padded on both sides, so we like that a lot. Just something easy to slip your products into. And right here, it's like a 3/4 height pocket in the back. And then everything else is right here. All of the outside pockets that are referenced in this picture here. So it's basically set up exactly like this with the different zones. And we'll put all those zone information in the description. Check it out on Ekster's website. They also make wallets, and we'll be showcasing those in just a moment. So be sure to check out that video as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.